Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is my name.
Alright, beauty gang, it is no secret that all of us at some point in time have experienced our hair looking hella rough when we wake up and not knowing what to do with it. So today I'm bringing you guys a quick 2-minute hairstyle that'll help save the day. So first things first is separating the front from the back and also creating some type of middle part or side part, whatever you'd prefer, because you're going to do 2 puffs on each side. Now I personally like tendrils, so that's why you see I dropped that piece in front of my face, and I use 2 ponytail holders whenever I'm puffing something out, usually, or especially buns, because I feel like it gives me a more secure hold. Now when I start creating the bun, I leave a little bit of hair out in the front to one, camouflage a ponytail holder, and I just feel like it gives the look a little bit more spice. So yeah, I went ahead and created 2 high buns in the front of my hair with 2 tendrils, and as you can see, those curls that I left out in the front of them are super popping, just makes the look really cute. So after that's done, I take my pick and add some volume to the back of my hair. I love big hair. I love it to like really make a statement by being so huge and voluminous. So yeah, that is one hairstyle, but actually we're gonna go ahead and make this a 2-for-1. So grab a ponytail holder, take up the rest of the hair you had left out and loop it around the hair once, and you have you a high puff double bun tendril hairstyle that only took 2 minutes to make. It's really cute, but really simple and easy to do. And it'll obviously have you feeling yourself. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and be a part of Beauty Gang. Also click that notification bell because I will be uploading tomorrow. So until next time, guys, bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. 1 time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you're on me. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is your name.